Hi, my name is Matt, and today I'm going to be making this vase to celebrate finally reaching 200 subscribers. But before we get into that, I wanted to thank all of you guys for watching, liking, commenting, all the things you've done to encourage me up to this point. It's really meant a lot and it's made a big impact. But enough of that, let's get started. Before I get started making the whole vase structure, I want to make one of these segmented pieces. It's going to be one of the key parts to this, and that's going to be a 200 that repeats around the neck of the vase. To make that, I'm using some of these maple and walnuts 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch square pieces. I cut these out of scraps whenever I have them lying around. I'm going to use them to make a 2 and a 0. So let's get these things glued up. It is finally done. This block, which has 200, has 51 individual segments and is massive, which means two things. One, this vase is going to have a hell of a lot more than 200 segments. And two, I can no longer put this along the sides because I have a tiny little lathe. So I'm going to put this around the top. I'm going to have to make a whole bunch of different things for the sides, which means table saw montage. And it's done. I got my 3 pieces all cut up and glued up. I have my Bloodwood for the base, Walnut for the middle basin part, and then this monstrosity of the text for the top portion. Now, I just want to take this time to quickly remind you, if you ever want to do something like this, be very careful how you are cutting the bevels. Don't be like me and accidentally cut 3 200s and then 3 500s. Or I guess this looks like 200 to you and this looks like 500. Don't know. Don't do that. It's very dumb of me. Anyways, let's get this turned up. there we have it. It is finally done. Now, I know it looks a little weird. Half the time it looks like it's saying 500 instead of 200, but overall I still like it and I had a lot of fun doing it. Normally at this point I would break you off, say thank you for coming, but I wanted to take a second to thank you guys again for all the comments, suggestions, and improvements that you guys have helped me to make. As you guys can probably tell, I'm still pretty new at making these videos, so if you see anything about how I made this video that you would do otherwise, please leave a comment down below. It helps me get better. Now, another thing you guys might be wondering is why I made a 50 subscriber video and a 200 subscriber video, but not a 100 subscriber. I actually did make a thing for it. I made this 100 piece shot glass to celebrate getting 100 subscribers. Problem is, I never really liked how this came out. As a shot glass, it leaks all the time, and it just wasn't to the quality that I felt comfortable making a video on it. So I want you guys to know that I do think a lot about these videos that I make, and maybe in the future I may make another shot glass or something for 100 subscribers. I do like the idea of taking a shot to celebrate finally getting 100, but let me know what you guys think. Saying that, have a great day, good luck, and see you guys later. Bye!